So previously we were discussing the concept of moment. Now there's a new concept. It is called principle of moments. So what exactly is principle of moment? Okay, the learning outcome of this would be state the principle of moments for a body in equilibrium. Use the principle of moments to solve associated problems. So what is principle of moments? Okay, let me read this for you. The principle of moments states that when a body is in equilibrium, the sum of clockwise moments about a pivot is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise moments about the same pivot. So in order to understand the concept of principle of moments, we have to first understand the meaning of clockwise and anti-clockwise moments. Okay, so what is clockwise moments? Let's look at this back again. All right, from your perspective, this is considered a clockwise moment. All right, this is a clockwise moment. Why is it a clockwise moment? Because it simply follows the orientations of a clock hand. Am I right? You look at a clock. This is how the clock hand turns. So this is clockwise moments. On the contrary, this is considered anti-clockwise moment. Anti-clockwise. Clockwise moment. Anti-clockwise moment. Okay, by now I think you should have a basic understanding of clockwise and anti-clockwise moments. So then what is principle of moment? Well, alright, let's watch a video clip to further understand the concept of principle of moment. So you saw the truck almost fell off the bridge, right? It was hanging there precariously at the edge of the bridge and managed to balance at that very critical juncture. So let's say this is a truck, and when it was hanging at the edge of the bridge, the anti-clockwise moment and the clockwise moment has to be the same in order to achieve balance according to principle of moment. So what if I increase the value of the clockwise moment such that it is now more than the anti-clockwise moment? What will happen to the balance? The balance will now be destroyed since the clockwise moment is more, so the whole thing will topple in the direction of clockwise moment. The principle of moments states that when a body is in equilibrium, the sum of clockwise moments about a pivot is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise moments about the same pivot. Let's look at an example. Right, this is a seesaw and it is balanced. So if it is balanced according to principle of moment, the clockwise moment must equal to the anti-clockwise moment. So the clockwise moment is W2 times D2. It must equals to the anti-clockwise moment, which is the D1 times W1. So in conclusion, due to principle of moment, W1 times D1 must equals to W2 times D2. So how do you solve these questions using principle of moment?